Inside this video, I'm going to go ahead and give you an in-depth review of Zing. Hey guys, David here, and welcome to my Zing review. What is Zing? So basically, Zing is a software that allows you to do all kinds of different things with a YouTube account. So it allows you to auto reply to comments underneath your YouTube account. It allows you to actually edit videos inside of the software, and it allows you to comment automatically on other people's channels. So it does all kinds of cool things, and it really helps you explode your YouTube growth through commenting and through video creation, all built into a SaaS cloud platform. So I'm actually inside of the members area right now. I'm going to go ahead and take you through all of the different features that are inside of Zing. And if you're interested at all in picking up Zing throughout this review, go ahead and just click on the link down below this video inside of the description, and it will take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. All you're going to have to do is click on any of these yellow buttons, and that yellow button will take you over to the sales page of Zing, which you can go through on your own time, read about Zing, and if you click on this button right here, you'll be able to purchase Zing. Now, if you're curious about how to get my bonuses, if you choose to purchase Zing through my affiliate link, well, then you'll be able to find those bonuses inside of your Warrior Plus dashboard. And to do that, you just come over here to this tab and go ahead and click on Purchase History. And then Zing will appear on the left side here. Once that you've clicked on that, you'll be able to see this blue button, which looks like this, that will say Access Affiliate Bonus. And that is where you'll find all of these bonuses. So without further ado, let's go ahead and now talk about all of these custom bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide to purchase Zing through the link down below this video. So bonus number one is I'm actually giving you a $300 Zing method case study. So this is how I made over $300 with one YouTube video, and I'm breaking it down step by step inside of a case study so you know exactly how to use this software and how to monetize it inside of this case study. So that's all step by step in a video tutorial. You're not going to find this info anywhere else because I created it personally. Bonus number two is how to monetize Zing with review videos. So a review video is actually what I am doing right now on this video. I'm actually reviewing the product Zing, and I'm going to teach you how to do that and how to make money incorporating the Zing platform with review videos in order to make some extra cash with affiliate marketing. So that's bonus number two. Bonus number three is I'm going to teach you how to get more traffic by ranking these YouTube videos with Zing, because you can go ahead and create videos with Zing, but there is no training in there whatsoever about how to actually get your videos ranked to the top of YouTube so you can start getting views and you can start getting people to click on your affiliate links or to start making money with AdSense. So I'm going to teach you how to rank your videos in bonus number three. Bonus number four is I'm going to teach you how to build an email list with the Zing software and the method of using YouTube videos. This is a killer bonus because a lot of people don't collect emails when somebody buys their affiliate link, and I'm going to show you how to collect email addresses after somebody buys something from you from your affiliate link, and then they will go onto your email address and you can actually promote offers to them in the back end and make more money. So it's not just a one-time sale, there could be many sales from that one customer. And then bonus number five, the last bonus, is I'm giving you all of the vendor bonuses. So a lot of affiliates will actually just be giving you this. They won't be giving you all the other custom bonuses, but if you do decide to purchase through my affiliate link, you're getting all these custom bonuses up here. Plus, I've included all of the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you as a bonus. So now let's go ahead and jump right into the software and take a look at all the different features that the Zing software has. So I'm inside of the members area and the software right now. The first thing that you want to do when you get Zing and you're inside of the dashboard is you want to go to social accounts on the side here, and you want to import your YouTube channel. You want to link it up so you have your YouTube channel connected to the Zing platform so you can start using it with all the different features. Now, down here, you actually have a built-in video creator inside of Zing that allows you to create videos automatically with these included templates. So these are all built into the software. You can go here and you can choose whatever kind of niche that you want to create a video in. And then once you have chosen a certain niche, you can just click on a button and you can hit yes, apply, and it applies it right to the video creator. And you can actually save this to your computer and then you can upload it to YouTube. You can also add different things like images. So you can add your own stock images and you can add images to these videos. You can also add different headings and subheadings and different kind of text to those videos to make it really pop on YouTube. And there's also elements, and they even have included lower thirds. So tons of awesome information just within the video creator, but that's just one part of Zing, as there is a lot more to do with this platform. So let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard and let's take a look at the channel manager. So this actually allows you to manage your YouTube channel through the platform of Zing. So you have your like and comments that you can manage, you have your subscription campaigns, you have your video manager, you can manage your playlists, so you can add videos to playlists, and you can also upload videos straight to YouTube from the Zing platform. So all of that is included inside of this software that's ran on the cloud. Now there's also template manager. So this allows you to actually auto reply to comments and create a auto comment template. So we go ahead and click on actions, and then you can actually, if somebody has let's go ahead and click on create a new template. So we can give this template a name, and then we can have them auto delete certain messages. So if they have any kind of curse words, or maybe they're saying this is a scam, or you're just spamming people, you can auto delete those comments. You can also add generic replies that are tied to certain keywords. So if somebody says show me or something along those lines, you can actually auto reply with an affiliate link, and it'll direct that person and notify them that you have commented on their comment, and then they could click on your affiliate link and you could actually make money with that. Now there's also a built-in search engine tool so that you can search for videos, channels, and playlists. There's also a keyword finder. So once you've actually connected your YouTube account, you can actually search for keywords of different videos to put it for your tags or inside of your descriptions. And then you have the auto reply here, which allows you to create a campaign, paste in a video ID, a channel, and then you can actually start auto commenting on videos. So all of that is inside of the Zing platform, and I hope that you can actually see the potential with this platform, because it'll allow you to create these auto comments that will allow you to promote links and build your authority on YouTube, including that built-in video creation software. So now let's go ahead and just talk about the price points for this platform and this software. So for the front end, so you get the entire software as the front end price of $17. So this gives you all the training videos on how to use the software, and it includes the software. Now, upsell number one is going to give you the unlimited edition. And if you're going to get one upsell, I highly recommend getting the unlimited edition, because this will allow you to use this nonstop. So building tons of different videos inside of the platform, tons of different auto comments, and different campaigns that you could actually run through Zing. So you definitely want to pick up the unlimited edition if you decide to get Zing. Upsell number two is the automation edition. This allows you to unlock additional traffic features for even more viral free traffic. I would recommend this after checking out the sales page of it and seeing exactly what the automation is all about. I think that this might be a decent upsell here. However, I have got you covered with traffic and getting viral traffic through YouTube ranking inside of my bonuses. So if you want my training, it's automatically included in the front end of the Zing software price. So upsell number three is the done for you edition, and that's $197. They're going to basically do these done for you campaigns and put together done for you videos for you. I don't personally recommend this because the software is pretty straightforward, and all you need to do is just put in some time to put together your own campaigns and your own videos. And with my bonuses, you can actually start ranking your YouTube videos. So I don't recommend getting this. This right here, upsell number four, for only $39, allows you to sell this as your own product. So you get the full rights to the product and allows you to keep 100% of the profits whenever you sell it. I do recommend it for this price of $39. That is a great price for reseller rights. Upsell number 5 is the luxury edition at $197, and this will allow you to create custom funnels, and they will actually set up the funnel and the hosting for your account to allow you to start building your list and making money. Now you can buy this, but as I said before, I've already got you covered inside of my bonuses, showing you how to build an email list with the Zing method and how to use YouTube and affiliate marketing to build your email list. So that's included with the front end through my bonuses. So that is all of the prices and the upsells that come with the Zing platform. If you're at all curious about checking out these bonuses, all you have to do is click on the link down below this video. You'll see this bonus page, and if you click on any of the yellow buttons, it will take you over to the sales page. So thank you so much for checking out my Zing review, and I will see you guys in the next video.